Porsche 918 Spyder, a hybrid hypercar legend. The Porsche 918 Spyder is a legendary hypercar that redefined the boundaries of performance and technology when it was introduced in 2013. As one of the holy trinity of hybrid hypercars, alongside the McLaren P1 and Ferrari LaFerrari, the 918 Spyder showcased Porsche's engineering prowess and commitment to innovation. It was a limited production model with only 918 units ever built, making it one of the most exclusive and sought-after cars in automotive history. The 918 Spyder features a sleek, aerodynamic design that combines Porsche's classic styling cues with futuristic elements. Its low-slung profile, sculpted bodywork, and active aerodynamics contribute to both performance and efficiency. The car includes an adaptive rear wing and underbody aerodynamics that adjust to optimize downforce and reduce drag depending on driving conditions. The Weissach package, an optional upgrade, further enhances performance with lightweight components like magnesium wheels, carbon fiber accents, and a stripped-down interior. Powertrain. The 918 Spyder is powered by a 4.6-liter, naturally aspirated V8 engine derived from Porsche's racing programs, combined with two electric motors, one on each axle. The hybrid system delivers a combined output of 887 horsepower and 944 lb-ft of torque. Electric-only mode. The car can operate in pure electric mode for up to 12 miles, 19 kilometers, using its 6.8 kWh lithium-ion battery. It achieves a top speed of 93 miles per hour, 150 kilometers per h, in electric mode. Acceleration. The 918 Spyder can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 214 miles per hour, 344 kilometers per h. All-wheel drive. The electric motors provide all-wheel drive capability, enhancing traction and stability. The 918 Spyder's chassis is made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic CFRP, ensuring lightweight construction and high rigidity. The car's dry weight is 3,715 pounds, 1,685 kilograms, which is impressive for a hybrid hypercar. The Weissach package reduces weight by approximately 77 pounds, 35 kilograms, further improving performance. The 918 Spyder's interior is a blend of luxury and motorsport-inspired design. It features high-quality materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, with a focus on driver engagement. The cockpit is equipped with a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen for controlling various vehicle functions, including the hybrid system and driving modes. The steering wheel includes controls for adjusting driving modes and other settings, keeping the driver focused on the road. The 918 Spyder offers 5 driving modes, allowing the driver to tailor the car's performance and efficiency. E-Power, pure electric mode for zero-emission driving. Hybrid, balances electric and combustion power for everyday driving. Sport Hybrid, prioritizes performance while maintaining some electric assistance. Race Hybrid, maximizes performance for track use with aggressive throttle response and handling. Hot Lap, unleashes the car's full potential for maximum performance on the track. The 918 Spyder was produced in a limited run of 918 units, each priced at approximately $845,000, or $929,000 with the Weissach package. All units were sold out before production began, making it one of the most exclusive cars of its time. The car's hybrid technology and performance capabilities made it a trailblazer in the hypercar segment, influencing the development of future high-performance vehicles. The 918 Spyder is often compared to the McLaren P1 and Ferrari LaFerrari, as all three were part of the holy trinity of hybrid hypercars. While each car has its unique strengths, the 918 Spyder stands out for its balance of performance, efficiency, and everyday usability. It is also compared to the Porsche Carrera GT, its predecessor, but the 918 Spyder represents a significant leap forward in terms of technology and performance. The 918 Spyder was a game-changer for Porsche and the automotive industry as a whole. It demonstrated that hybrid technology could be used to enhance performance without compromising the driving experience. The car's success paved the way for future Porsche models, including the Cayenne e-Hybrid, Panamera e-Hybrid, and the all-electric Taycan, showcasing Porsche's commitment to electrification.